Hello and welcome back to another video, guys. In this video we're working on this Skoda, I can't remember what it is. It's a 1.4 diesel. It's, do you know what, my mind's gone blank. It's the Fabia. I'm getting old, guys. So Skoda Fabia 1.4 diesel, and we have the engine management light on. It's in limp mode. We've got P023800 turbo charger boost sensor A circuit high input. Now, after doing a live data on the ThinkScan diagnostic tool, turns out we're not getting any sort of reading at all. It's just flat. Okay, I'm going to show you where to kind of find the sensor, and in other words, we're going to show you what you can do. Obviously, we've already told you it kind of goes into limp mode. You're losing power, it judders in the sense. Engine management light will be on, alright. So this fault code is to do with the sensor here. Now, so I can clean it up and give you guys a better idea so you know what the part number is. I mean, that there. It's going through my body, that. Right. So that's your part number there for everybody. 060 is the last digit. Yeah, I think it's 060. If I'm wrong, correct me, guys, in the comments. That's where it is. It's them two bolts holding it. Now remember, it's diesel, so before you start buying a sensor for it, it's really a bit of a faff to get into the sensor there. It's that one there, as you can see. Take this off, because the sensor in there sometimes kind of gets clogged up with filth and dirt and soot, whatever you want to call it. Recommendation, take it out, clean it with an electrical sprayer, put it back. If you've got a diagnostic machine like this one, I've got the ThinkScan, it's the latest one they have, 689BT. Do a reset, reset the adaptions, in other words, and take it from there. If it doesn't come back, winner, chicken dinner. If it does come back, then just change that sensor, guys, with an original OEM. Please, original OEM, otherwise you're going to be in the same boat. So in this case, we'll do a full scan and clear. It should go, because we have an original OEM. Used part, but we recommend new, but in this case it's used. Done, finished, no more warning.